Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to take a snapshot on the Google Earth application of a particular place that you have visited using the application. So this function is basically a screenshot of your screen. So first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on the snapshot icon if you would like to take a screenshot of your screen, and then you have the ability to send it to your friends or to anyone that you want to via email, messenger, and other social networking sites. So this picture has been saved automatically to your gallery, so you can find it anytime. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.